and we're excited to share something truly special with you today.
Our project title is Woven Wonders Exploring Philippines Indigenous Craft.
We'll be taking you on a journey to discover the beauty and cultural significance of traditional Filipino craftsmanship. Join us as we delve into the stories behind these incredible creations and talented artisans who bring them to life.
Acquisition of information and patronizing the product along with promotion will not only boost the economy and support the Cebuanos but also benefit the country as well.
Tara na! Manuroy o maliit na ta!
I love Cebu. I love Cebu.
So here we have a flower made from cactus shell. So this is mainly used for home decoration like chandeliers.
This is a heart-shaped fan, likely talaytay wooden, made from dried pandan leaves with a checkered pattern and also a wooden handle.
So this craft is called basket. So it's made from coconut stick. So it's used for putting clothes or something like on the side.
Here in my hand is a hat that is made from kawayan or bamboo. And for this size, it is specifically made for children.
This craft is called a basket with a handle at the edge. This craft is made of boripal. You can put inside on it money as your savings, and also it can use as a souvenir.
This craft is made in pandan, and this is daily use. You can use as wallet.
This is a small basket made from bamboo, and this is a decoration, perfect decoration.
Here we have our beautiful basket tray. So this basket tray is actually made of pandan. So this is, as you can see, it's flexible, and this basket tray is used on many things like putting fruits and some flowers, also for decorations, and also some purposes to put.
So this is a sarong hat, and it's made from banana leaves and Hawaiian, and it's used for protection for rain or heat from the sun, and especially from the farmers.
So this craft is what we call nigo. So this craft is usually used for hope, rice, and corn. So good afternoon, ate. So pwede mo tanya, ano sa imong pangalan? Si Leticia Bohol. So unsa na mo kadugay nagbuhat ani imong mga craft? Nagbaligya. Okay. So para nimo ate, unsa ang pinaka-special para nimo ate kanang ang nagbuhat ani, unsay kanang pinaka-special na meaning nila sa paggamaan ni nga crafts? Yes, mga kwarta. Mga indigenous na mga design na to, mga through generations.
So how many long mo ani nang buhat ani?
Kani nga among business kani siya.
Unsa ang benepisyo na nadong kaniman?
Ang pilit ng kani siya kuan siya gihangin sa mga akong parents, pero before kuan may clothing, and then wala naman ang clothing daghan ka in range, so nag-native ni siya. So ang nakalimot pa pud anon niya kay daghan ang itong maingan ni mo palit ani, especially the tourists and ana ya benefit sa di kay kuan siya kanang soaring or iyang profit dagko man siya. Okay ra sa ta. Okay.
So mora to ang buhatan natin. Salamat.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. Pwede mo mag-interview about sa kanang mga craft. Kanang pila na pud mo ka tuig nga nagkuan din na.
30 na kapin.
Yan sa inyong mga tinda kuya kay kanang unsay pinakahalin dito?
Kani halin gini siya kanan. Sila bol manginama mo tinda. Sabi nagnay mga event pagka na sinulong.
Kini mga kuan mga event. Pila po ka nang kuan sa imong mga presyo niya price?
Hindi sa klase. Lain ang presyo kinan po na wala sa kalye. Lain sa presyo. Yes.
As we have seen, the Philippines is rich in diverse and intricate indigenous crafts.
Each piece tells the story of tradition, skills, and a deep connection between people and their culture.
It's crucial we recognize and support the local artisans and the heritage they represent.
We hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the artistry and the cultural significance of these woven wonders.
Thank you for watching. This has been Woven Views, the Philippines' finest craft and culture. Till next time, padayon mga higala.
Bye!
Perfect lagi daw.
Tingog ba? Okay, tingog guys. Accusation of confirmation.
Nakatama ka? Nakatama ka?
Suyok ko. Wala ko nakatama. Seleksyon ang tama.
Nakatama ka wa?
Ako nakatama. Taka-taka.
Bro, okay ka bro? Okay bro. Ito bro.
Hi. Say hi to the vlog.
Our title is
Say hi sa Big. Hi sa mga followers Big. Hi sa mga followers.
Hi, say hi, say hi, say hi. Say hi. Hi. Hi.
Alright guys, welcome to my vlog. Die.
Money si Kaz, human AI. Say hi to the vlog. Say mga kasultingan natin direct.
Wow.
Wow, naay nasunog. Wow. Kanang pila na sabi.
Alam mo na to.